Hi everyone, in this video I am talking about my new internship project that is given by iNeuron. So first of all, I can give you a detailed description about data. So here is dataset that I can use, BBC News classification. So this dataset contains 3 files: BBC News, train.csv, test.csv and sample.csv, and this data contain these 3 fields: article ID, that is too not necessary for this project. Article ID contains the text and category of the article, that is tech, business, sport and entertainment and politics. So how we can approach this project? So first of all, I can give you a demo of my project that I can make a Streamlit web app. So I can run this app.ui. So I can test some data that I can generate using ChatGPT. So here is the text that I can make. So first category is related to politics. So I can test what's the model give the output. So I can paste it over here and classify. I can test only two text, and here is politics. It can model give politics, and the next one is sports. I can copy and paste it over here and classify. So model gives sports, so model can correctly predict. So now I can tell you how we can approach this project. So first of all, I can make a certain template.py. Template.py are used to make a folder structure. So if I can run this file, so it can automatically make my folder structure, that is data folder, models, notebooks, or source folder and source folder, etc. So inside the data folder, all the data are present that I can use in the data folder. And where we can get the data? So I can hard code the data. I can make a folder given data. Inside the data, here is the data: article ID, text and category. So I can get the data using data ingestion. I can get the data from given data folder and save them into the data. And inside the data, I can make 2 more files: raw data and process data. Inside the raw data, I can make 3 more files: raw.csv, train.csv and test.csv. So here is my notebook that I can add some testing experimentation. I can do some experimentation and then I can do the modular coding approach with. So here is my model folder. So model folder contains 2 files: model.pkl and processor.pkl. Model.pkl is my best model that I can get, and processor.pkl is the processor that I can make the transformation on data. Like this is a text data, so I can apply the transformation like stemming, lemmatization, stop words, etc. So now I can tell how we can approach this project. Now we can get data. So I can, in source folder, I can make 2 more folders: components and pipeline. Inside the components, I can make 3 files: data ingestion, data transformation and model training. Data ingestion are used to get the data, and data transformation are used to apply the transformation like stemming, lemmatization, removing stop words, convert text into lowercase, converting text into vectors, etc. So data transformation, here is a data transformation code that I can make. I can apply the transformation on both train and test data. So here is model training code. Model training code are used to train the model and find the best model and save them into the model folder. and here is one more file, utils.py, a pipeline inside the pipeline. So inside the pipeline, the file is prediction.py, prediction pipeline. So inside the prediction pipeline, I can get the data from user, and first of all I can get the data from user and process them so that so that I can convert the text into this way so that model can predict them. So here is the prediction pipeline, and one more file is util.py. Util.py are used to make inside the util.py I can make a functions like getting data, finding the best model, training the model, and text processing, etc. And here is one file, app.py. Inside the app.py I can make a Streamlit web app that I can show you. And docker file are used to containerize them, so I can containerize them and containerize them and deploy over Docker Hub. And so I can see you, here is Docker Hub, and text classification I can make one more repo. I can make a repo, so I can share your link so you can definitely test them. Now here is my requirement.txt and test environment. So test environment are that I can use to test them if that our model and our function that I can make is correctly